Okay, before I go outside and apologize for the wind, it's pretty windy. Here's these messy birds. They're going to find a new home today because they're really getting too big for this cage. So, excuse our mess down here. It's a busy day. My friend Jerry's working on the deck. Him and Rick have been putting the deck together. Gotta show you these cool stairs he made for it. Come over here. He gave me solid steps. I really, really like it. That's all the stuff that goes under there. But check out these steps. Aren't they nice? Anyway, deck's coming together. So him and Rick have been putting together. But right now, as you can see in the distance, Rick's making me a area for my meat birds. And I have been cleaning out goat sheds. Getting the babies taken care of. Making sure they got a clean home. So, sorry I'm going out of gate. Here you go. You can see our wood pile we got to chop. I swear it's a never-ending job. You're never finished. Never. Anyway, Hagar's in the corner of the shed. I don't know if you can see him or not. If I get closer. He's in the corner, just chilling. I got their shed all nice and clean. Okay, how do I get this to go out? There we go. And a Red and Crasher is eating. Okay. Of course, these have got to go back to Heidi. These boys were my birthday present. Isn't that a cool birthday present? As you see, our orchard. But over here, Rick took time off from the deck to start building a place for my meat birds because they're just getting way too big for that. So what we did was we took a panel and put in a circle and anchored it with these, and then we put a tarp over it, and he's putting some extra metal we had around the bottom, and then we put tarp over it. We did not come up with this ideal. This ideal is based from Cog Hill Farms. He's got a lot of great information, so give him a, go check his channel out. I guarantee you enjoy it. He calls himself the Dancing Farmer. Very entertaining. I really enjoy his videos. And there's Rick putting the metal on. Hopefully, yes, honey. Do you want my attention? Huh? Anyway, we'll get this done and I'll bring you back when it's finished. Oh, real quick. My girls are doing really good. Haven't got their shed yet, but that's on my list to get done today, among many, many other things. And as you can see, they're just over there relaxing, taking it easy. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're behind the tree. Sorry, jiggling as I walk. There they are. There's the girls. Anyway, I'll bring you back when it gets a little bit more done on that thing. Well guys, one project is done. Here's our chicken coop. I'll walk you around it. Jigger's checking it out. Excuse me, Bert. Okay, here's what we did. See the cats walking around it too. Put metal down here. Keep the wind out and predators. We did 2 tarps. Okay, this is not exactly like Cog Hill Farms, but it is inspired by him. Like I said, go check him out. You won't regret it. Tigger, you better be good. You were good in the house with them, or in the pantry. Anyway, this is the roundabout way of the shed, the run. Okay, and we'll go inside. Got a water out here, and I got a stone on the other side. I want it where they can come outside, so I got a stone down here. But I also want it where I can keep a lot of the breeze off of them. Anyway, there's their water and their food, and we got a heat lamp over there in the corner. And they're definitely not cold because they're just wandering everywhere. But they have a lot more space, And like I said, if they want to come out in their run, they got a good sized run they can come out into. So anyway, that's one project off our list. And they seem happy just pecking the ground. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.